we're still going to talk about MJ Light. But then they literally paid me 20,000 rand and I drank all of it. So those are facts. So don't worry about MJ Light. Those are our friends in the background. We're hating each other online, but I'm also a bitch. I'm gonna get me some money and then I'm gonna come talk shit about you. And then let me tell you, oh, I hope these people are not here. And then let me tell you. And then
tell us truly.
And then I did the post, right? Because then they had like paid me coins, and then I had taken the coin. Oh, I had taken the money. And then probably 3 days later, and then I spoke about MJ Light. I don't give a fuck. And then I spoke about MJ Light, and then the boyfriend, and then he be calling me, and then he's like, oh, then you'll remember. Then, oh God. Anyway, and then you'll remember. Then the boyfriend went to celebrate the child's birthday with the wife, right? And then MJ Light had like, then she was like being shady, as much as you're saying she was being shady. So I was just speaking on the shadation of the thing. And then the danger is when you feel like you can threaten me, or you can, okay, then we're gonna have several problems. Then the boyfriend, he be calling me like, oh, you must delete, you must. I'm like, you know what? Fuck you. I'm not doing that. If you look that shit up, it's still on my timeline. And then the danger is you do not fucking own me. You do not tell me what to do. You decided to give me money. And then because I'm the bitch that I am going to come back for more. As I always say, give me your money at your own risk. As soon as I forget you gave me money, we're back to square one. And that's where we're at. I'm not opening conversation about it. I'm not opening a discussion about it. I am just saying. And then we can just move on and speak about other things. So you don't worry about MJ Light. MJ Light is good. She's our friend.
Like Musa.
Okay.
That was Musa Khawula alleging that Leeroy Sidambe and Mihlali have been paying him money to tweet about them for publicity, you guys. Musa mentioned that he and Mihlali are actually okay and that he has received money from Leeroy worth over 20,000 rands to write and tweet about them. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.